Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ClickUp views after accidental filters, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your ClickUp views after accidentally applying filters, start by opening the ClickUp workspace you're working in. Locate the view where the filters have been applied. In the upper right corner of the view, you will see a filter icon. Click on the filter icon to open the filter settings. Observe the filters that are currently active in your view. To remove a filter, click the X next to each filter option. If you need to reset all filters, look for the Clear All option and click it. This action will remove all active filters and restore the original view. Once you've cleared the filters, click the Apply button to confirm the changes. Your view should now be restored to its original state without any filters. If you want to save this view for future use, click on the View Settings icon. Select Save View and give it a name that reflects its purpose. Now you can easily switch back to this view whenever needed. If you encounter any persistent issues, refresh the page to reset the interface. You can also check if the filters are applied at a workspace or space level. If needed, visit the main dashboard to confirm there are no overarching filters set. Once done, you should have your ClickUp view back to normal, ready for efficient task management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.